Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the environment and headset, update firmware, charge above 50%, and select Arctis 7 as the input. Once done, disable other microphones on your system so you eliminate feedback and focus processing. Position the boom about 1 to 2 centimeters from your mouth, slightly off-center to reduce plosives. This gives clearer highs and avoids popping. Make sure background noise is minimal. Lower fan or move away from noisy sources, because that directly affects signal-to-noise ratio. Next, you refine gain and EQ to shape tone and control distortion. Open the Steelseries engine or OS audio settings, lower gain until peaks sit around -6 dB, because that prevents clipping and leaves headroom. Once set, enable noise reduction and side tone in your chat app to improve monitoring and reduce sudden jumps. For tonal fixes, use a parametric equalizer. Cut around 2 to 400 Hz to clear muddiness and add a small boost between 3 and 6 kHz for presence, tweak by ear. Finish by validating the changes with real tests. Record yourself speaking at normal volume and listen for distortion, hiss, or latency, because that reveals remaining issues. If you encounter wireless dropouts, switch the USB dongle channel or test wired 3.5mm mode to isolate interference. For persistent plosives or handling noise, add a small foam pop filter or replace the boom capsule. These physical fixes often solve what software cannot. If all else fails, contact support with a recorded sample for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.